Is a big day, a huge news from ChatGPT and OpenAI. The GPT store has finally launched. In this video, I'll show you how to get access, how to use it, and what is a GPT store. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. So this is a blog article from OpenAI introducing GPT store. This is kind of like an app store. All the GPTs, custom GPTs are going to be in one place. And guess what? Just like apps, you will be able to monetize your GPTs in near future. So how do you access this? This is what you're going to do. Go to your chat.openai.com, log into your account, your ChatGPT account, and then yes, for now the GPT store is inside the paid account. It's not inside the free account. Hopefully they will change that and give us all these awesome GPTs inside free. Now to access this GPT store, what's interesting is you're gonna see, you see right here on their blog, they're showing explore GPT. So you're gonna see that option here. I'm not seeing it, but I'm inside the paid account. So another way you can access is just add GPTs. So here's the URL, chat.openai.com, and then add /GPTs. And here you go. Here is the GPT store. Discover and create custom versions of ChatGPT with specific knowledge and combination of any skills. And let's take a look at this. I think one of the groundbreaking features. This is going to change the direction of AI and ChatGPT. So first of all, over here, if you created any GPTs from your account, it will appear, or those GPTs will appear here. If you want to create a new GPT, you can click on create and then go through all the steps. Very, very simple. Now, this is kind of like the Apple or Google App Store, the GPT store. Here are different categories, top picks, DALL-E, writing, productivity. And guess what? Here's a hint. If you are planning on creating a new GPT, maybe create in these categories to get more exposure. Now, if you scroll down, let's take a look at this GPT store now. Here are the top picks. Looks like these four, these are hand-picked, I believe. It may be based on the usage, but these are the featured one, trending, most popular by our community. So these GPTs are trending on the store, and I believe they add 12 in the total list. Once this loads, you will be able to see it. Next section is the GPTs created by the ChatGPT team. You can see these here too. Yeah, 12. So every category has, I think, 12 total listed for now. Next is the DALL-E 3, transform your ideas into images. So you can see those. Scroll down. Next is the writing. So you can see different sections here, productivity, research, then programming, all these GPTs. Now, one cool thing and my favorite feature is you can search for any GPT here. So for example, let's say if you want to make logo, just put logo, and now you can see different GPTs that you can use to generate logo. So logo creator, Canva, logo GPT, you name it. So, and then they're also listed. Looks like, I was going to say they're listed by the usage, so 50K plus, 100K plus, but I don't think they're listed by the usage, because otherwise Canva would be on the top. So I think they're listed by the relevance to the keyword. So a lot of people want to make videos. So if you click on video, here you go. Here are video GPTs. These GPTs will help you create video. Oh, video memes. Oh my God, this is amazing. This is kind of like a throwback to back in the day when we saw the launch of Apple App Store. So this is just amazing. So very quickly, let's just kind of test a GPT. So let's say I want to healthy chef. My goal is I want to create a recipe. So I just a healthy recipe. So healthy chef, a GPT by searching. And I want to say, give me a healthy vegan recipe. And I'll just, for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to say, give me any healthy vegan recipe. So I'll let it pick. It needs to be just vegan. I'm going to allow this. And it's doing its magic. And actually, I did this earlier, so I'll just show you. Here is the healthy quinoa salad. Here is the image. And then I was able to generate that recipe. How cool is that? Another, I used the Dolly 3 earlier to make a logo for a new car repair shop, and then it asked me what's the name of the shop. I said Car 101, and the logo was ready. So this is just amazing. And if you wanna, again, I don't have in my account right here. In another account, I could see the Explore GPTs, but I don't have the Explore GPT button here. But I can easily just go back to the store by going to this URL. So you can bookmark this URL if you want, but anything you can imagine, the GPTs are being launched, and I'm going to test some more soon in future. So I'll create some more content. So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon on the channel so you can see more videos about GPTs, because I want to test these GPTs and see what type of outputs we get. But yeah, huge day. GPT store has been launched. Go test it, see if you have access. I think it's being rolled out slowly, and US is going to get access first. And also, if you're thinking of any GPTs, start creating, because soon the monetization is going to launch and you will be able to make lots of money. All right, any question, let me know. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.